This is Agroforeo, a tool for planting climate-resilient crops. Agroforestry blends trees with crops or livestock in a harmonious landscape. This approach enhances climate change adaptation to droughts, floods, and erosion by improving microclimate management such as shading and soil stabilization. Also, trees sequester carbon, leading to better biodiversity outcomes and increased resilience for our agricultural systems. With the EU Nature Restoration Law in effect, nations are obliged to integrate agricultural transition strategies into their national restoration plans. The question is, how can they make informed decisions to achieve transition from traditional monoculture to dynamic agroforestry systems? Agroforeo offers a tailored solution that empowers decision makers with the information they need to navigate this transition effectively, ensuring a resilient and sustainable agricultural future. Our approach is based on real-world data from existing agroforestry systems across Europe gathered at EURF website. These living labs show us exactly which combinations of trees and crops thrive together in different environments. Using machine learning techniques, specifically a maximum entropy model, we analyze how these successful systems relate to their environment. We gathered environmental data from the WEkEO platform and other sources, examining everything from vegetation phenology and productivity, soil moisture, temperature patterns, and rainfall distribution to soil properties. With this trained model, which essentially captures the DNA of successful agroforestry systems, we've mapped suitability across the entire EU landscape. Taking it a step further, we've analyzed each individual agricultural parcel using the Land Parcel Identification System, LPIS, calculating specific suitability scores for different types of agroforestry systems. Think of it as matching each piece of land with its perfect agroforestry partner. To make this information accessible, we've developed a prototype using Jupyter Notebook featuring an interactive map where users can explore our findings. This prototype serves as the foundation for a future full-scale web application, where farmers and decision makers can easily access detailed recommendations for their land. Simply click on a parcel, and our system reveals not just whether agroforestry would succeed there, but exactly which agroforestry type would thrive in that specific location.
Our machine learning model is designed to evolve. With additional training data, we could extend our analysis globally while continuously improving accuracy. We also plan to develop new capabilities, including harvest yield and carbon sequestration assessments, and to integrate climate change scenarios. Our solution offers the first comprehensive tool for agroforestry transition planning across the EU and serves multiple stakeholders: farmers seeking transition to agroforestry, and governmental agencies and consultancy firms working on EU nature restoration law. To make our solution accessible, we've designed a thoughtful pricing structure. Our free tier demonstrates agroforestry's potential at broader scales, while our premium tier provides detailed analysis, recommendations, and advanced features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Join us in making data-driven agroforestry accessible across Europe. Use Agroforeo, transform your land, and transform our future.